and welcome to the Muncie Public Library's tour of the White House. Many people have seen the White House, whether it be in pictures or videos, or maybe you've been lucky enough to take a tour in person. We hope today to take you a little closer into the action and see parts of this historic house where the president has lived since 1800. And please feel free to give us a comment of things you'd like to see from the Muncie Public Library in the future. Like the video if you like this content, and subscribe to stay up to date with what we have going on here at the library. So the first room that we are going to go into is the diplomatic reception room. This room is the first room that people come into when they come into the White House from the South grounds. This room has been used for many things. It was once used to polish all of the silver in the White House. It held a huge furnace, and then most notably it was also used by Franklin Roosevelt to do his famous fireside chats. The next room we're going to come into is the China Room. And this room is actually used to hold sets of fine china, which is fancy dishes, that each president donates to the White House that represents them or their family. This room also used to be the living quarters of the firemen that President Martin Van Buren hired to live in the White House to take care of the furnace that I mentioned earlier in the diplomatic reception room. The next room we're going to come into is the Lincoln bedroom, and this was actually never Abraham Lincoln's bedroom. It was his office, and then it has been used as several things. It was a parlor for several first ladies, and then President Truman turned it into what we now know as the Lincoln bedroom, and it is used by presidents for their honored and favorite guests, and many believe that they have spotted ghosts in that room. The next room we're going to go to is the Oval Office. The Oval Office is the president's office, and it became the president's office in 1902 when William Howard Taft built the very first Oval Office, and then it moved in 1909 when President Roosevelt moved it, and it is now in the same space that he put it. And presidents have been able to change things around in the office over the years. Each president picks his own furniture and desk, and there's also a selection of historical paintings that the president gets to pick to choose and put in his office. The next room we will move into is the East Room. The East Room has been used by presidents historically to welcome celebrities and other famous guests and performers. Performers such as the cast of Hamilton have performed there, with President Barack Obama inviting them, and there have been many balls and other large state dinners held in that room. The next room we'll move into is the Green Room. This room has been used as a parlor and a tea room for dignitaries and first ladies. This room has not always been painted green, but it has been green since James Monroe coined it the Green Room, and it has been kept green ever since. The rooms in this historical house have changed a lot over the past 229 years. Each president has changed the grounds, but they have managed to maintain the historical significance as well as adding in their own personal touch. It's very important to the presidents and the first families to maintain the historical significance of the White House. Thank you for coming along with your Muncie Public Library on our virtual tour of the White House. Please make sure to comment something that you learned or any other cool facts you know about the White House. Like our video and subscribe to see other videos that the Muncie Public Library has to share. Also, you can check out our website to see what other things we have for you to look at. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.